Hello, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. I am so glad you're here. Today I share with you my last Christmas cards, and these are really last minute cards, very quickly to make. So let's get started. So for today's cards, I picked 3 of these Hearty Crafts Easy 3D toppers. Each bag has 10 different toppers in there. And let's start with the Christmas one. I'm just going to take one apart and then I'll share with you the rest. But each topper comes individually packaged in these cellophane packs. There are 3 steps, and all you have to do is add some foam pads to make your dimensional layers. So we have this cute squirrel here in a wreath. There is Santa, a beautiful poinsettia, got a deer, an angel, a pair of skates. There are bells, a Christmas tree, cute snowman, and a beautiful church snowed in the woods. So this is just the one pack. It's called Christmas. I picked 3 more. There is one that only has the poinsettias. So beautiful. Same design, 10 of them. Then I have Christmas trees, and they all have somebody next to it, either Santa or a snowman or an angel, deer, a child. Very, very pretty. And then I have some winter gnomes, and I made some cards. So let's check what I made first. Here I made an easel card, very simple. I took a top folding A2 card, I scored it in the middle, and now you have an easel. On that easel I added some background paper and this cute Santa. So this came here from the Christmas trees. There he is. And then for the inside, I just added a little bit of paper, my writing panel, and then to stop this easel, I have this greeting here, Merry Christmas. Very simple, and I think it has a cute impact because it hangs over the card, but of course it folds flat and goes straight into an A2 envelope. And because I did this card, I made a second one. And here, what I had on my desk was still this beautiful wreath that comes from Little Birdie. Let me show you. There are packs like this, and it's got the 3 beautiful wreaths in there. Like I said, I still had that sitting on my desk. So what I did here is I used the same background paper, added a punch star, and then just a wreath, and then the inside is similar. And I have this greeting here to have my easel stand up. So very quick cards. And again, they fold flat, so they go into an envelope. Up next, I have a stepper card here. This card was ready-made. This is a Hunky Dory product that I still had in my stash. And all I did here is I added, because the card is already so pretty, it has this beautiful silver foiling on it. I just added a couple of snowmen, a greeting, and then a few punch outs here. So here I punched my snowflake, and I also punched a couple of trees from this Hunky Dory glittery cardstock. I still have a few in foiled in glitter. It's like a rainbow glitter, so pretty. I had that on my desk, so since these are my very last Christmas cards for this year, I wanted to use up what I had on my desk. So I came up with this very simple card. And again, like I said, this is a last minute type of card. All you have to do is use one of these beautiful toppers, and you can see the base and the 2 layers, couple of foam pads, and basically that's all there is no design or anything, but still very cute. Then I made 2 slimline cards. These are card blanks from Michaels. I bought them 1 or 2 years ago, maybe last year or the year before. It has this gold foiling, and they're a little smaller than a regular slimline card, but you know, I had them in my stash, so I used them up. I just added some paper in the background, and that's the nice thing having these embellishments. You just find paper and then start arranging them on your cards. So here, because I had this long panel to fill, I punched out one of my circles. I cut it in half, so I put 1/2 on this end, 1/2 on this end, and let me see if you can see that. So you can see how this is 1/2 of the scalloped circle, and here's the other half. And in the middle there is my beautiful poinsettia, and then I added a couple of items here. This little package is a sticker, and that is also by Little Birdies. It's got these cute little packages. They are dimensional stickers, very, very pretty. So that went on here. And then Greeting Merry Christmas is also a sticker sheet from Little Birdie. So I will link this below. And the only other thing is I added one of these glitter stars from Michaels and a couple of punch snowflakes. Same thing here. I have as the embellishment the pair of skates, so pretty, I think, sitting again on this snowflake. I did the same with the scalloped circle. I cut it in half and added it to both sides of my card. And then here the greeting is from this sticker pack. Also, Little Birdies has really cute stickers, dimensional, has stuff on there. So all these are Little Birdie stickers, and I link them below. And this finishes my 2 slimline cards. And I think they came out really cute for last minute cards and really only took minutes to put together. And for my last card, I used the winter gnomes right here and made this kind of a calmer card with, you can, let's see, with the snowflake paper in the background. I added 2 punches. I punched out the circled scalloped circle, the star, and then here is my embellishment. I added season greetings, and then added all these. This is also a little punch. I have all these snowflakes to the card, and that's all. There it is. Another cute card for that could also, I guess, be a winter birthday card, because it's not necessarily Christmassy. It has, I mean, I put on their season's greetings, but it could have said happy birthday, because really it's only those little gnomes and snowflakes. And here they are, my last minute Christmas cards for this season. I may do a couple of New Year's cards. We'll see how I get around to them. But as for the Christmas cards, I'm done. But I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, I would appreciate you leave me a comment, maybe give me a thumbs up, and share this video with your crafty friends and family. I appreciate your support. This is all I have for you today. Please stay or get well. Happy holiday crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.